Hello everyone. I recently received an order to make a cutting board. I discussed the design with the client, and I got to work. For this, we'll need a silicone mold. I used thick art resin, in a 2:1 ratio that the customer asked for brighter colors and more green. The first layer is the base of the back, or more accurately, the background. I chose more delicate, pastel tones, green and white. Pour it into a mold and distribute it randomly over the surface. Then blow up the design with a heat gun that after completing the work, we let the resin harden for 4 to 6 hours. After the first layer dried, I started to come up with the decor. I had some boards that I carefully prepared. I processed them, sanded them, burned them, and washed them to remove dust. I waited for them to dry completely and cut them into the shape I needed. Next, I prepared the resin and poured it between the boards, adding leaves and flowers of different sizes. Since the client loves a lot of sparkle, I decided to use holographic glitter, which I pre-diluted in resin. We rolled each plant in resin to avoid unnecessary bubbles. The second layer has dried. Now we pour resin to cover all the uneven areas and some of the petals. After the third layer dries, we will need to sand the surface to make it smooth. My board is dry and I've already sanded the surface. We place the piece on stands. I use cups. It's best to lay some old plastic underneath. We check that everything is level and the surface is perfectly clean. We carefully pour and level the resin. This is what I ended up with. The customer was delighted and ordered another board with a slightly different design, which I'll share with you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to support the channel.